In this video, I will show you how to download and install maps in Minecraft Java Edition using Mojo Launcher. This works for all versions and allows you to add custom worlds easily. First, open any web browser you have, then search for Minecraft Maps Download. Click on the first website, then click on Browse Maps. Now, you need to know which version of Minecraft you have. For example, I am using version 1.2.1.8. Make sure to download a map that supports the same version as your Mojo Launcher. After downloading the map, go to the Play Store and download an app called Zarchiver. Once installed, open Zarchiver and go to the download folder. Find the map file you just downloaded and tap on it, then tap View. Now long press on the map folder and tap Copy. Navigate to this folder. Android, Data, paste the map folder here, just like I did. Now open Mojo Launcher and start Minecraft. Click on Single Player and you will see your map installed and ready to play. That's how you download and install maps in Mojo Launcher Minecraft Java Edition. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Mojo Launcher tutorials, shaders, and fixes.